Sir, in the last videos we covered list concept, tuple concept. List and tuple in both order is important, duplicates are allowed. But where is the difference? Tuple immutable, list is mutable. Clear, right? But sometimes my requirement is I want to represent a group of values. A group of values as a single entity where duplicates are not allowed. Observe very carefully about this one, sir. Duplicates are not allowed. I don't want duplicates. Okay, I don't want duplicates. I don't care about order. I don't want to worry, sir. Order, I don't want. Order not required. Order not required. This is my programming requirement, man. Sir, otherwise don't worry. Next, duplicates are not allowed. Suppose, best example, I want to send one SMS message to all my students. So I have to duplicate numbers, if any there, it should be removed. Duplicates are not allowed. So in any order you can send, but at last for all the students, my message got sent or not, my message got delivered or not, it is very important. So where order is not required, order is not important, next, duplicates are not allowed. If you have such a type of requirement, then better to go for set data structure, right? Are you getting? When we should go for set? Whenever we are using the word set in your mind, immediately 2 points should strike. Point number 1, okay, order not important, order is not applicable. Next, duplicates are not allowed. Okay, like, sir, in your general mathematics also, if you observe that mathematics, S1 set, sets, relations, functions, like mathematics, discrete mathematics, somewhere in our academics we covered. Sir, 1, 2, 3. S2 is equal to 2, 3, 1 I am taking. S3 is equal to 1, 3, 2. Like this I am taking, sir. Can you please spell out all these sets are equal or not? Normal mathematics set theory, all these sets are equal or not? Yes, friend. How you can tell two sets are equal? Okay, all elements present inside first set, present in the second set are not, irrespective of their order. Order wise we are not required to worry. Here 1, 2, 3, here also 2, 3, 1, here also 1, 3, 2, the same elements only. That's why all these things are equal. Remember this one. Can you please tell what is the first element? What is the first element? What is the last element? If any person is asking what is the first element, what is the last element in set, give left and right. Because in set, order, such type of terminology not applicable. Okay, it's a normal mathematics. Same way, our Python set also. Okay, so if you don't want duplicates, if you don't want worry about order, then we have to go for what? Set concept. How you can represent, sir? Very simple. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, sir. So within curly braces, you have to represent a group of values. Within curly braces, you require to represent a group of values like, sir, now it is the set. How you can prove it is the set? Very simple, sir. Type of yes. Okay, type of yes. Can you just print type of yes? Now I have to get a set. Remember, print type of yes. Now I have to get what? Set. Okay, have a look once. Here, just take a bit very special care about this one, sir. Yes is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 I am taking. Print type of yes. Print type of yes. What output we are going to get a class set. Is it clear for all of it? It is the set, right? Okay, class set like. Now here there is one small point is there. There is one small twist is there. Observe carefully, right? If I can take my yes is equal to 10, 20. Sir, 10 Durga, 30, 40, like this I am taking. 10, 20, 10 Durga, 30, 40 I am taking. If I print yes, what output we are going to get? Can you please spell out, sir? What is the output we are going to get if I print yes? Can you please confirm? What is that output we are going to get in this case? Yes, very simple, sir. 10, 20. Sir, 10 is available 2 times, but in the set only once. The remaining duplicate element will be ignored. The remaining duplicate element will be ignored, sir. 10, 20. Next, Durga, 30, 40. Only this is. 10 2 times won't be there. Even you are trying to add 2 times also, but it's always going to consider only once. Duplicates are not allowed. But what is the output? These are the elements, but I can't give the guarantee for the order. Order I don't know, sir. Order I don't know. In the case of set order wise, we can't give the guarantee. That's why. So these elements will come, but in which order I don't know. Okay, this is. Let me cross check, sir. Have a look once. If I can take S is equal to 10, 20, Durga, 10, 20, 10, 10, comma, Durga, 30, 40 is there. Print yes, sir. Print yes, sir. Sir, how many times 10 we are taking? 2 times, sir. But still, what is the output we are going to get, sir? Okay, 10 we are going to get only once, sir. 10 we are getting only once, sir. But in which order the output is coming? Our order is 10, 20, 10, Durga, 30, 40. But your output is 40, 10, Durga, 20, 30. We are going to get. So order is preserved or not preserved? Not preserved, man. In the case of set, order, such type of thing is not applicable. Clear for all of you, right? If you don't want to worry about order, if you don't want to duplicate, okay, unique elements only I want, better to go for set concept, right? Next, one more important point, sir. Sir, now I have already set is there. Can you please tell what is the first element? What is the first element? Print of S of 0. Print of S of 0. Python virtual machine will give left and right. Array, there is no order. If there is no order, where is the question of first element? Where is the question of first element, second element line? So immediately we are going to get type error. Index concept not applicable for the set, because order is not there. Indexing is not applicable. Same story applicable for S of 1:4. What is this one, sir? Slice operator. Now also we are going to get, okay, type error saying set is not subscriptable. Like here type error, index is not applicable for set. Next type error, set is not subscriptable. Like we are going to get the error. Observe carefully, right? Sir, what I am trying to take? S of 0. Here, just I am trying to take S of 0. Observe that. I have already one set is there, sir. S of 0. Like this I am taking. Okay. Observe carefully. Sir, type error. Set object does not support indexing. Set object does not support indexing. Remember this one, sir. Okay, well, suppose I am taking S of here 1:4 I am taking. Slice operator, sir. If I can take slice operator 1:4, slice operator if I can take, what will happen, sir? Set object is not subscriptable. Set object is not subscriptable, like we are going to get. Sir, all the things are very clear for you people, right? You should have clarity about this terminology. Any doubt? So can you please tell for the set indexing, slicing applicable or not applicable? Not applicable, man. Now here the third point. Duplicates are not allowed. Order is not required. Next, indexing concept, slicing concepts are not applicable. Okay. Next, heterogeneous objects are allowed, no problem at all. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. Heterogeneous objects are allowed everywhere, sir. Don't worry. In the list applicable, tuple applicable, set applicable, frozen set applicable, dict applicable, everywhere heterogeneous objects are allowed. Okay, well. Sir, next, one more important conclusion is there. Take very special care about this one. Sir, S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 is there. Now my requirement is, observe carefully. Here I want to add 50. I want to add 50. Now immediately you may get the doubt. Sir, append method. Append method applicable for list, but for the set we require to use add method. Add. What is the reason? I will explain, sir. append applicable for the list, but add is the method applicable for set. Okay, now let me print yes, sir. Let me print off yes. What answer we are going to get? Okay, 50 will be added. Now yes, sir, dot remove of 30 I am taking. Yes, dot remove of 30. Okay, print of yes, sir. Now 30 will be removed from the set. So 50 will be added, 30 will be removed from the set. Both the things are applicable. Have a look once. Here I am taking 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40. Like this I am taking. Yes, sir, dot add 50 I am taking. Print of yes. Print of yes. Print of yes. Now observe 40, 10, 50, 20, 30 is there, sir. 30 is there. Okay, like. Similarly, I want to add yes, sir, dot remove of 30. Yes, dot remove of 30. Print of yes, sir. Yes, dot remove of 30. Print of yes. Yes, 30 got removed, sir. 40, 10, 50, 20 is the answer we are going to get. Okay, clear, right? So the important point is once we create set object, happily we can perform changes to that object. Means set is mutable or immutable? Mutable. Set is growable. Set is growable and set is mutable. Remember, these are various important points what you people should be aware about set terminology, right? Next, one more small point is there. What is that point? Why? What is that point is? Append versus add. Append method versus add method. Sir, in the case of list, we have append method. But in the case of set, we have add method. Why, sir? What is the reason? Why these different methods? Why the names are different? Very simple, very simple. Observe carefully, sir. If I consider this is my list, L is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Assume that 10, 20, 30, 40. If I add 50, if I am trying to add 50, where it will be added? At last. Compulsory, at last, in the last position 50 will be added. Correct, right? If you are adding something at last, that operation is called append operation. Appending means existing plus new content. This is what appending. So there is a guarantee 50 is always going to add at last. At last. That's why for the list, what method is there? Append method is available. And 50 will be added at last. Okay? Print of L. There is a guarantee the output is always 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, sir. Are you getting? 50 is always going to add at last. But what about set? If I can take S is equal to 10, 20, 30, 40. Order is not important. In the memory, how these objects are going to be stored, there is no guarantee at all. Maybe 40 will come first. Maybe 40 will come first. We don't know that. Now, if I add 50, where this 50 will be added? Is there any guarantee? Is it always going to add at last? No guarantee at all. That's why append such type of terminology you can't use for the set. Simply we are using which terminologies are add. Observe the difference, right? Why here we are using append? Because this element is always going to add at last. But here there is no guarantee this element is going to add at last. Maybe somewhere in the middle also. That's why simply the method name is add. You should aware. Some students may ask, sir, for the list append you use for the set, add we use. Why, sir? Why these two different names? Based on internal functionality. Two different method names came in the picture. Clear, right? Sir, now I will explain the most dangerous point. Take very, very special care, sir. What is that point is? If I can take S is equal to, okay, curly brace open and close I am taking. Can you please tell what is this one? What is this? Set. Curly brace open and close is the set. How many elements are there in this set? How many elements are there in this set? Zero number of elements. Can I use the word it is empty set or not? Hare, respond, man. Is it empty set or not? Empty set or not? Remember, if you are going to use the word it is empty set, I will give left and right. The reason for that is it is not a set, it is a empty dictionary. Remember that. Somewhere we covered square bracket, this is for list concept. Parenthesis, this is for tuple concept. Curly brace open and close for the set and dict for both curly brace open and close. By default, curly brace open and close is a dictionary but not a set. Remember, have a look once. Where is the proof for that? Where is the proof for that? Sir, type of yes. Can you please print type of yes? You are going to get dict sir, but not a set. Okay, very dangerous point. Okay, have a look once. I am trying to take yes only. Okay, yes only. Okay, print of type of yes. Print of type of yes. Okay, C is equal to curly brace open and close. Print the type of yes. Okay, what output we are going to get? Have you observed? This is the dict type but not a set type. By default, it is the dict type but not a set type, sir. Then immediately you may ask, okay, sir, why it is considered the dict type? Why it is not? It is not set type. Very simple reason for that. Why they gave the priority for dict, sir? Suppose assume that you are going to the bar. Have you ever visited bar? Okay, assume that you are going to the bar. Every day you will visit the bar. You will take at least 1 bottle or 2 bottles and then you are coming, sir. You are everyday regular customer to the bar. By mistake one day you forgot the money. Then automatically what the bar people are going to do? Don't worry, sir. Tomorrow anyway you are coming. Please pay tomorrow. No issue. Special privilege will come for this repeated customer. Correct or not? Because he's the most frequent customer. Suppose I'm going to the bar maybe yearly once. Assume that yearly once. On festival day one day I will go to the bar. That day I forgot the money. If the bar people are going to provide alcohol for me, no chance at all. They won't provide because I'm not regular customer. So if you are regular person, special privileges are available. It's the common. So among set and dict, which is the most frequent user data type? If you go for your Python programming, our hand is always going for dict only, but not set. Set is very rarely used, but dict is the most commonly used. That's why Python people gave the priority for the dict concept. He is the regular drinker, every day is going to the bar, dict, but set is not that much frequently used. Okay, well, so that's why it is the dict, sir. Okay, well, so sir, just observe carefully. Curly brace open and close. It is not a set. It is the dictionary. Okay, well, then immediately you ask, sir, if it is the empty dictionary, how I can create empty set? What is the way? If you want to create empty set, the option is S is equal to set function you have to call. Now, what is the types are print type of yes. Regarding what is the types are print of type of yes, now it is treated as empty set, sir. Okay, set how you can create empty set? You require to use a set function. Okay, have a look once. Here s is equal to set I'm taking type of yes. S is equal to set I'm taking type of yes. What answers are? Observe that class set we are going to get. Is it clear for all of you, right? Sir, that's all. Let me print the content. What the content is there? Nothing. Empty, sir. Empty, how it is going to represent? Empty set only. Empty content, empty set only. Remember that. So, how you can create empty set? There is a special arrangement is available. Set function we require to call. You can't use just a curly brace open and close. Is it clear, right? Next, the last very important point about the set, sir. What is the difference between list and a set? Most commonly used interview question for the interview room, sir. What is the difference between list and a set? Observe carefully. Sir, list order is important. Order will be preserved, sir. Okay, but for the set, order is not applicable. Second one, sir, duplicates duplicates are allowed, but in the case of set, duplicates are not allowed. Next, list we can represent by using square brackets representation, but we can represent a set by using curly brace representation. That's all. If any person is asking the question, what is the difference between list and set? In the list, duplicates are allowed, but set duplicates are not allowed. In the list, order will be preserved, but in the set, order is not preserved. Here, curly brace open and close is the representation for the set. Square bracket is the representation for the list, right? These are the things what you should aware. Everyone can get basic idea about list, set, tuple, right? Okay, very important. The difference between list and tuple, the difference between list and set. Okay, how to create single valued tuple, comma, how to create empty set function we have to call. Clear?